The pre-trial conference relating to the assassination of Warrick DJ Warras Stock is expected to start today at the Johannesburg High Court following a postponement. Only Warras's alleged shooter Armando Pacula was present in court on Friday. His co-accused, the alleged orchestrator of the killing, Victor Majola, was not present due to administrative issues in his transfer from prison. Warras was gunned down in Johannesburg CBD in December 2025. SABC News reporter Chriselda Lewis is on the story and joins us live with the very latest. Chriselda, today, of course, we're expecting the continuation of that specific trial, given that disappointing false start, if you will, last week, with the administrative issues being at play, where one of the accused was not present in court.
Well, Mfundo, we have not yet reached the stage where the trial has already started. On Friday, you'd recall that the pre-trial conference was scheduled to complete, but that did not happen because one of the accused, Victor Majola, who is the alleged orchestrator of DJ Warras's assassination, was not available at court. Apparently, there were some administrative errors that took place that could not allow for him to be transferred to court for the sitting on Friday. It was only the other accused that was in court. But what we also know is that we're likely due for a postponement also today. You'd recall the pre-trial conference itself was due to complete, and that's where we would see a date for the actual start of the particular trial. But we also understand now that there were some other issues that needed to be ironed out, including who was going to pay, or if Victor Majola was going to continue to pay his private lawyers. We understand that there have been some issues relating to payments to the particular lawyers that he has hired. We're also expecting to hear what the update is pertaining to that. And then we're likely to see what will be possibly a 2-week postponement in this particular matter. But I think all of that will be made clear once we get to court, because the presiding judge had indicated that the lawyers, both the state and the defence, were due to meet prior to today's proceedings to ascertain exactly what the way forward will be. But indeed, Friday was a bit of a setback for the family of DJ Warras, because they were expecting to hear when the start of the trial would be. Of course, they're wanting justice for their son and wanting to know exactly what took place on that day when he was gunned down, just a few minutes from where I'm actually standing at the moment. So we'll wait to see, Mfundo, in terms of whether the pre-trial conference will go ahead here this morning. That will give us a date to the start of the trial, or we're yet to see another postponement for issues to be ironed out, including whether the issues relating to payment of Victor Majola's lawyers has been sorted out.
All right, Chriselda, we trust you to keep us abreast of all developments in that case. SABC News senior reporter Chriselda Lewis there for us.